Welcome back to the BV Tech YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our newest PoE switches, the PoE-SW1600G Plus. We're going to be unboxing this switch. I'm going to show you some of the features that make it one of our most exciting new switches. Let's start by taking a look at some of the specs that make this switch so unique. First off, you have 16 ports, each one capable of doing 30 watts of power and a data transmission of 1 gigabit per second. In addition, ports 1 and 2 can also provide you 60 watts high-power PoE for all your devices. This switch comes with a total power budget of 190 watts, so you'll always have enough juice for all your devices. This switch has a full metal body construction, keeps everything safe and your technology protected. Despite the metal and all the power that's in here, it weighs in at only 1.6 pounds. It's very easy to pick it up and move it from one spot to the next. Additionally, you would expect a switch like this, with this much power, to take up a lot of space. But as you can see, very little real estate is going to be dedicated to putting this switch. And if you really can't find a spot to put it, you've got your mounting ports on the back. So you can put it up on a wall or on your rack. All right, so let's open up this box. So we got a lot of packaging to keep everything safe. User's manual and tech specs. And our power adapter. Got our switch. And finally, each one of these ports comes with 4,000 volts of protection, guaranteed to keep your devices safe from any surge that might occur. Add to that our 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support. You can put your faith and trust in this switch. After reviewing this switch in the unboxing video, I can firmly say that if you're looking for a small solution to big problems, this is the right switch for you. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. This has been Tom for BV Tech. Thanks again. Make sure to subscribe and view us on our website and social media for all the products we have to offer.